Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we got a special little guest here. Who we got?
I am Rhonda's granddaughter.
And what's your name?
Maybree Irvin.
And how old are you?
11. I turned 11 yesterday.
Just yesterday. Happy birthday to
Thank you.
Sweet little sugar baby. Listen, we have already told y'all we're going to be making some little goodies with each one of our grandbabies, and she is the oldest. So
and the tallest.
And the tallest. She just turned 11, y'all. She's my little sweet girl, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Don't matter if you're taller than GiGi, you're always my baby. So we are going to start off with making some goodies. What are we going to make today?
Oreo Balls.
Oreo Balls.
She's excited.
She is very excited,
yes.
y'all. All of my little sugar babies
They're
so excited to do this. So we're going to be making something just real simple, things that we can give as gifts. You can give as teachers gifts,
and also you can do it on birthdays too.
Yeah, absolutely you can. It's good for any day. So what we're starting out with, and we only have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. How about that? 4 ingredients. We've got some cream cheese in here, and we have Maybree has crushed up some Oreos. She did the whole pack of Oreos. We've just got some little melting chocolate and some good old Mexican vanilla, y'all. So we are going to start off by putting a little bit of this vanilla. We're going to put a teaspoon of this vanilla in here. And I'm going to switch sides because she's going to be doing it all. I tell you what, I'll just dump it in. You can mix it up. Okay. How about that?
Oh, the spoon.
All right. You don't need the spoon. You need the mixer. Let's get the mixer. All right. She's going to just mix this until it's smooth. Let's turn it up a little bit. Now we're going to be mixing these Oreos. Here, you can keep that. You're going to just keep right on the mixing, sugar booger.
Okay.
I'm going to pour them in. Here, you mix while I pour in, okay? Ready? There's some big pieces in here, but we like that little crunch in the middle, so. Perfect. Look at there. All right, now, you know what we're going to do?
Pour the vanilla in, or
no, we've already got it. We're going to make little balls. Let me show you how to do the first one, okay? She's always anxious to learn, ain't she? Tell them something about you. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink like GiGi. Sure is. Tell them what you like to do.
I love to draw, and I love to sing about God.
She does. She loves singing, and she can draw. She draws really good. She does. All right, we're going to get a scoop just like this, and we're going to put it in your hand like this and just give it a little roll.
Oh, okay.
So now it's your turn. Make a little ball because we're going to freeze these. You got to scoop it real good in there. Just drop it in. Look at there.
Good
Here, let's
job.
get a little bit more.
Yeah,
let's just get a little bit more in there. You want to fill this up to the top, okay?
Okay.
Here you go. Make a little ball. Y'all, it's so hard to believe that my little baby is 11 years old.
Time flies.
It does. You want GiGi to make them and you roll them?
Yes.
We'll work as a little
Tag
team.
team it.
Yes, we work as a little team. She has always been all about her little GiGi, hadn't you?
She all these kids love being in the kitchen with their GiGi.
They do.
And Papa too.
And Papa too.
Including for coffee. I love coffee.
She does. She loves coffee. Speaking of coffee, y'all, I don't ever miss opportunity. Y'all go check out Northbound Roasters.
Yes.
They are a great brand coffee.
Delicious.
We love representing them.
And I hope we just did a little giveaway not too long ago.
We hope our subscriber enjoys it. Her package is on the way to her.
Yep. There you go, sweet baby. Look at us go.
Yeah.
Look at us go.
Looking
I tell
good.
you. Y'all, this, you know, we say we're making Oreo balls, but we're making memories.
That's right. This
Aren't
is
we,
a
darling?
blessing. This is a blessing.
I used to love these when I was little.
Yeah.
You still gonna love these.
Yep. I'm a big fan of Oreos, y'all.
Me too. GiGi loves
It is
them.
my favorite cookie.
I like it when
like
it's
it
with.
better than the
I like it
chocolate
when
chips.
it's with caramel and you dip it in the milk. It's good.
Oh yeah. All kind of good stuff. I tell you what. Yeah, I told her, I said, well, we got to try one, make sure it's good. But, so I took one out and got a little nibble off of it. She said I had gum in my mouth. She had gum in her mouth at the time, so she didn't get none.
Plus, I have braces, y'all, also.
She does. She's got her some braces on. Getting beautiful. Her teeth getting straightened up, ain't you, darling?
Yeah. I used to have rabbit teeth, like long ones.
Oh, rabbit teeth.
Rabbit teeth.
No, it was crooked like that.
He's silly. She makes us laugh.
I am a prankster too. So
She is. She's a little prankster. She's got 2 little brothers, and she likes to prank.
and they're here too. So
They are. If y'all hear a little rambling upstairs,
Yep.
we don't have varmints.
No,
We have they
we
may
just
be
got little
varmints
boys.
sometimes. You might call them a varmint.
I call them little brats.
Oh.
What? Little brat.
No,
Yeah,
but
because sometimes they do act like it. So.
Oh, okay.
You still love them though, right?
Yeah, I love them with all my heart.
Good girl.
Good girl.
That's good, girl. Well, we just are knocking them out, ain't we, darling?
Yep.
Well, we really ain't got that many more. Now, we're supposed to sit these in the freezer for about 15 minutes and let them get really hard before we dip them in the chocolate.
I like mine soft too.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, and you know, some of the little crunchy bits in here, I don't just pulverize it to powder. I like some of the little crunchy bits. When you bite into it, you got a little crunch in there. So if you got a little bit, bigger pieces in it, honey, don't you worry about it. It's going to be just fine.
Tastes more like a cookie.
Yeah, just got a little crunch to it, a little surprise. Ain't that right, baby girl?
Yes.
We almost got this knocked out. Only a few more. All kind of little goodies. Y'all see me back there? I got pots going in the background. We are celebrating her and her daddy's birthday tomorrow for Sunday supper. She told me just what you wanted to eat, didn't you?
Yes.
What? Tell them what you wanted.
I want some bacon by green beans with some. Oh.
It's all right. Throw that one in trash.
Okay.
Good girl.
It'll happen.
It'll happen.
And also mashed potatoes with mac and cheese, and then some rolls.
Rolls. And what else did you say?
I also wanted dirt cake.
Dirt cake. And what's from the meat? The main entree?
Oreo.
Ham. She wanted ham. So ham, macaroni cheese, fresh green beans with taters and bacon, rolls, and some dirt cake. Now, Daddy, his birthday is tomorrow. And we're going to be making him a little sweet potato cake, y'all. And some of that Captain D's fish. He has went mad
he raved
over
about
it.
that fish. He
Look.
come by and we had that fish one time,
I
and
need to
he's
go
been
wash my
talking
hands
about that fish ever since.
He has. So we are going to set these in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and she's going to wash her hands because she's saying I got to wash my hands. And we'll be back to dunk these little Oreo balls and to finish them off. All right, y'all. We have frozen these for how long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. She's listening. And I've just got some melting chocolate here. I've got milk chocolate, white chocolate. You can use whatever you want. But because we got little stuffed little goodies on hand, I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So, May, I want you to melt these. We're going to...
30 seconds?
30 seconds. You got it. We're going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then you want to stir them.
Okay.
And then do 30 seconds more. So you get over there and do that. All right. This is at 30 seconds. Clearly not ready.
Not ready yet.
Uh-oh.
I
Throw
fell.
him back in. He just jumped ship. All right.
Just like a leaping frog.
30. Yeah, leaping frog.
Like Reuben.
30 more seconds.
Okay.
Get all of it stirred in there. Just keep going, stir it good. See, it'll still continue to melt. Now get to the bottom real good. There you go. That-a-way. I think it's going to be perfect for just that second 30 seconds. All right. Now, here's what we're going to do.
Put it on top.
Well, we're going to let GiGi finish swirling real good. I put some muscle in here. All right. Now we're gonna take a little bit of chocolate. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. We're gonna dip it in here like this. Now put one of those balls on top.
Okay.
Put one of them on top of it. Right like so. Now we're just gonna cover them like this. Ooh,
After that, can I do mine?
you sure can. You can do the rest of them. Gigi's just showing you. All right, now we're going to take that knife. And look at here what we're going to do. We're just going to scoot it right there. Okay?
Okay.
We still got some icing on it. Here you go. Your turn. It's already on there. Just scoot it. Now you're going to take the spoon. Just drizzle it. Look at you go. My goodness. There's some on this end.
Giving it a chocolate bath.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's fine. That you can roll it. Hold on, let Gigi show you. Watch this. You can just roll it right on around
It
in
keeps
it.
falling off.
It's fine, darling. You can do it that way too.
Yeah. And
We're
we
just
can also
gonna-
just put it in there
We're
and
just
then
gonna
grab it
dip
up
it.
like
Now these balls is cold, so they're gonna
that.
There we go.
I'll just drop the ball in it.
It's fine. Just stick it right there. I'll hold it and you can drizzle it. How about that?
Tag team again.
Yes, we're a pretty good teammate with Maybree.
Yes, we are.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
Just be careful
some
with
on
the
the
spoon
end. Right
and
there.
drizzle. Don't hit the ball.
There we
There you
go.
go. You're doing good.
Look.
Gigi done dropped. Look at Gigi dropping that
All
ball.
right,
Papa dropped the phone.
here we go.
Oh my, this is a clumsy show, y'all.
It's all right.
At first, I dropped one of the balls while I was
It's
rolling it,
alright.
and now
It's
Ginny's
okay.
dropping the balls inside of the
okay.
chocolate.
We are
We're not
real.
gonna get excited.
We
Yeah,
real.
we're not.
Just drop it in there. We'll just roll it. How about
Yeah,
that?
like that.
There you go. That's how we
Good
roll. Just
job.
don't mash the ball up, okay? All right, y'all. We got the little white ones done. We got us a little mess going, but don't you never mind. It's gonna be just fine. Now, we don't need many of these because we're just gonna drizzle these on top. So do this for about 30 seconds again, and y'all see how quick and easy this is. This is a perfect little treat, and you can make a lot at one time. Like I said, give them out as gifts. That'd be good at Christmas, wouldn't it?
And birthday!
And birthdays. She's on that birthday trip,
She's excited.
honey.
She's going to go birthday shopping. she said.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I get to go whenever I want.
She's gonna have some birthday, so we're gonna go spend her little birthday money and find something good, hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it. See what we got going. What we got?
Probably
Let's
another
see.
30.
Oh, we might. Let's just give it a little stir. This is what it looks like. We didn't have many in here, so I thought maybe it would just... We might have to go a few more seconds, sure enough.
Like about 25
15.
seconds.
Let's go 15 seconds.
Okay,
Okay. 15. That's looking right, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Now, here's what we can do.
What I do?
My little missy. Here, let's
Where?
let Gigi show you. We're gonna take them over here.
I just saw this on YouTube once.
Watch.
So.
You did.
just
We're
like
just gonna-
just like those pretzels
You can do it this way, this way. How about that? You wanna do them?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. You just put a little bit. Here we go. You do it.
Okay.
Just put a little bit on the spoon and just drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. There you go. Hold your spoon up high. There you go. Drizzle, drizzle. And these is going to be ours, so it don't matter what they look like.
Good job.
Good job. Keep on going. Drizzle, drizzle. Get you some more chocolate on there. All right. Look at you go. Don't they look pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Now, another option is we could have just sprinkled while that chocolate was warm. We could have just put some sprinkled Oreos, just a few more crushed Oreos on there. But that's all there is to it, Papa. You ready to give them a
I'm
little
ready.
taste?
It's my turn.
I'm ready
now.
too.
Yeah. Hey, wait a
Alright.
minute. Am I gonna get? Wait. What do you mean you ready?
I'm gonna be a taste tester too.
She's
Papa.
gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Just like the last 2 times.
Oh,
That's
so
right.
you get to be the guest taste tester, don't you?
Yeah. It's gonna be
Oh.
Montgomery and Moss's first time with a full video.
Yeah,
Nice.
I know. They're excited
All
too.
the
Yeah.
little grandbabies.
They're like, I'm so ready.
Yeah, they're excited.
I was just like that too when I
All
at
right.
first.
We're going to finish this up, and then it's going to be taste time.
Alright guys, it's taste time. So Papa, how do you think of my Oreo balls?
I think they look delicious.
Well, what we got to do about that? He needs to taste them, don't he?
Yeah,
Are
me
you
too.
saying it's time for me to taste one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You go ahead.
Let's see what she tastes like.
You gonna have
Wait a
one?
minute now. Whoa, what you doing?
She's going to taste it with you, Papa.
Oh, okay.
She
Yeah.
worked real
Okay.
hard.
You
All right,
forgot.
Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Ready? Go ahead,
What
Papa.
do you think of your Oreo balls?
Are they delicious?
Yes.
Very
Good.
delicious.
100 out of 1,000.
100 out of 1,000 or 1,000 out of 100?
1,000 out of 100.
Yeah, there you go.
Papa's turn.
Ooh.
Woo, child.
Mm.
Good.
I'm gonna say she did good. Very good.
She did good.
You did fantastic, baby.
She picked a good little goodie.
She did. These are fantastic.
I let them pick what little goodie they want to do. So if we have some little odd things, honey, I let them babies do it. My little sugar babies.
Next up, Smiles.
Yes. Next up is her
Little
little
brother.
The
brother.
milk top.
All right, baby. What you think about it?
I loved it.
You loved it and you had fun. All right.
Well, what do you have to say to everybody out there in YouTube land?
Everybody, like and subscribe to Rhonda's Country Kitchen.
That's right.
She's ready, y'all.
She's got it down.
She's ready. She's better than us.
Yeah, we sometimes
Maybe we
forget
need to
even
sign
say
her
that.
up.
Y'all
Okay.
are like 50 years old, and I don't really know everything about YouTube because I have to watch it all the time because of brothers. So.
She likes her some YouTube. So, yep. And she just told on us with our age, didn't she? She just put
sure
it right
did.
out there.
Telling us we're old.
You're not old. Y'all two are handsome and beautiful.
Oh, listen to her.
She's a
Making
sweet
us feel
girl.
good.
Yes, she is.
So
My
y'all are
little-
20 again.
Thank
Feel
you.
like we're 20 again, she said. Yes. Well, anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much. Thanks for watching us and for my little sugar baby doing this with us. She's number 1, y'all. Be on the lookout for the next one. And until next time.